guys are immature. Yes, I had my feet on your desk. What you gonna do about it?
You ain't gonna do nothing about it.
I saw how he knew you were about to say something. He scooted up first.
You ain't gonna do nothing about it.